Hello everyone. Here I'm just wanted to discuss about an indicator called OBS strategy, which is easy for people who is in options buying. First of all, I'll just like to add this indicator. If you go to indicator tabs, OPB. If you see OPB, here is by Spark Algo. You can just click it. It will be added on your chart. Okay. First, I'll just go to the settings. First, go to your call and put. Here you have an option to put plot your call and put in the same chart. For example, go to Nifty. I am just reading this because this is last week's expiry. So I go to Nifty 50 and I have just selected 25,200. Okay. The same way I have to go to Nifty and 25,200 put. Okay. Settings is very simple. There is a small buffer for the entry. So as soon as I get an entry, I will not enter. I will take a small buffer and enter. And my targets is 45 points. And my candle low is my stop loss, or my fixed stop loss. I can fix it. As of now, I'm just putting candle low. Stop loss is fixed. You can change it into 20 or 10 or whatever you wanted. Okay. And once this break even is like, once over the prices is moved 40 points above 40% of the above the near to the target, then this is you can just enable to the break even. This is for closing all the trades at 320 and not getting any signals after 315. This is this is having another option to exit the trades even when there is a reversal. Okay, this is one of the options. You can just opt it or not. You can just see. So I'm just clicking again to go to Nifty 200, 24,200 and selecting OK. Now you can see here there is a chart like 24,200. It's plot 24,200. C is been plot. Okay. So simply I am just turning off this Nifty chart. Okay. I'll tell you why I have plot 24,200. See, it is closed by 24,200 here. Close by. So in the money and at the money, I'm just plotting it. I'm just turning off the signals. Here there is an automatically to adjust the auto fit the data on the screen. So just click on this. You will find the charts automatically. So there was a small entry here and there was a stop loss hit. So the market is in sideways, so there is no any entry here. So if you want it, you can backtest it and see in other days also. If there is a movement, you will 100% you will get the trades. For example, if I go to 23,800, I think last week's expiry, 23,950 or 800, I'll select 25,800, 23,800. And again I'm going selecting 23,800. So if you wanted, you can select different prices, but once it is there at the market, then only it will move correctly. See, there was only trade once it entered. There is a small scalp here. Okay, so you have to select the correct strike price. It is not random strike price. If you select a random strike price, you will not able to view that much profitably trades. So you have to be very sure that where the market is trading and what strike price to select. So it is up to you guys. You can plot two charts and see if any breakouts. For example, I'll show you in a crude oil so that it will be very easy for you people to understand. I'm just selecting the crude oil chart here. I just plotted crude oil chart here. See here. I'm just turning on this. I have already plotted two charts. See, I have selected 7,900 and 7,900 put. So I'm just selecting it. Okay. See here. There was a trade here. and it is just breakdown. There is a reversal here, so I exited here. If you wanted, you can exit it here, so you will be ended up with small profits. And if the market is moving close by, you can just select any other strike price, some 27,000, 7,800, 7,850 or something, 7,850. No, I'm canceling it. I'll tell you why I didn't get. I see here there is a small breakout. I'll tell you why I didn't get any trades here. So in this indicator, the time is like 23 here. I have to put 23. So that market closes at night 11:30. So if it is at 3:15, you will not get any signal after that, no. So you have to change it. See here. Now are you able to see there is a target here? Again the target is hit here, and still it is continuing. So this is very easy for you people to understand the breakouts. If you are putting two prices, if it is matching at the same price, some other call has to a call or put has to move away. So whichever is going higher and whichever is going lower, whoever wanted to do selling, you can do in the opposite way. Whoever wanted to buy, you can do in the higher way. So it is useful for buyers as well as sellers. Okay, if anyone is interested, you can just go. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp. We will help you to make you understand about this indicator more. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.